A day in the green led by banks predominantly, because banks were the shining stars which propelled the Nifty higher. About 0.75% if I'm not wrong for the Nifty bank, and private banks really doing well, even as SBI did not. So that is the nature of the beast. Bring up the heat map of the Nifty 50 and you will see metals and banks up there. So you see a Hindalco, Grasim, JSW Steel in the list of these gainers, but the real weightage was given by the likes of HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank. Reliance aided a little bit as well, participated in the green. There was strength in BPCL and Adani Ports as well. And this masked the weakness of what happened to a Hero MotoCorp and M&M. So the autos were a bit weak, and some of the pharma names, the likes of Sun Pharma as well as Cipla, had a bit of weakness in the session today. But it was a day also, by the way, it was a day where the rupee closed at a record low. So about 83.65 if I'm not wrong for the rupee. So this one cracked quite strongly in the session today. So record lows for the currency. But the broader end of the spectrum was unfazed. Good positive momentum, good market breadth, and good gains to fertilizer stocks, chemical stocks, and real estate names. So RCF, Chambal, Deepak Fert, GNFC. From the fertilizer, NoSil, from the chemical space, there was strength in Indiabulls real estate, Prestige Estates, etc., which are all a part of the real estate pocket. CE Info was up 20% on the back of a brokerage note from Goldman Sachs, and not too many notable losers, but for PNB Housing, which cracked because of a block deal. Offshore wind farms got a bit of a stimulus, and it showed in the way Suzlon reacted. For example, closed up about 5% if I'm not wrong, actually 3.5%, but had a good intraday move as well in the session, as did Inox Wind and Inox Wind Energy. So some of the policy initiatives now starting to come to the fore and impacting stocks as well. Let's see if the last day of the week continues the momentum.